Yeah.
Right here.
And that floor is there for the tub.
Well, that's for his wall right there. And so, yeah, once he put the wall up, go be bolted up to the tub.
That window's out of there.
And change that window out. What's gonna be up? Block it out.
You gonna run wall tile up?
Yeah. No window.
No window.
Phone, Mooney.
Only light windows in the bathroom.
Yeah.
No, I think that was, I just don't want him to get.
Too dark. Go ahead. All right, now, for example, John the plumber, all right, he just made a vent stack, y'all. That's a vent stack that's coming up from under the thing, and that thing is gonna vent. He could have made a Schroeder vent stack, but I think he's gonna run that all the way through the ceiling, and then Felix is gonna frame this up with 2x6s, so you will never see that because it's gonna be embedded into the wall. Then he also has his plumbing that's gonna be right there. You can't see it now, but a toilet will be sitting there, right, John?
Mm-hmm.
All right, John the plumber. If y'all need him, y'all can call him at
Greg.com.
Yeah!
See if Felix got a tester. We're gonna test this power so I can shut this power off over here so we can take these out. I saw Sabrina dancing.
Yeah, I know, right?
Damn like she in the street. And she ain't lost it.
I know, right? She killed the kid.
She ain't lying. Every damn daughter be coming. The old lady beat all the
I know.
I'm standing out the way.
Yeah.
You got a bus? Say, oh yeah.
Demo day. Say what's up.
What's up?
Unplug it. Hit that mug, right? What you got? Talk to me, B.
Got a 2 outlet here.
Okay.
It's gonna catch 2 colds.
Okay.
One's gonna be the kitchen sink, and the other one's gonna be a faucet on the outside of the hose bib.
So that's Uponor, Ben?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ben is putting in Uponor. Ben and John tag teaming it over here. Did this less than 2 hours.
So we'll run this one up over here, up the wall for a hose bib.
Oh, so that's for your hose bib. All right, that's smooth.
So I got one fitting that's gonna catch 2 fixtures.
Ah, okay. Y'all see how Ben did that? So now we got water on the outside of the house to wash your car, right?
Yes, we will be, yes. It's gonna be on this side of the house.
All right. You just automatically thought of that on your own, Ben?
Yeah, pretty much.
Nobody said that to you? Get him, Ben! Oh, you're gonna do 2. One on the other side of the house.
No,